Meaning of Dixieland.
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 Dixieland. Dixieland is a genre of jazz music that originated in New Orleans, Louisiana, in the early 20th century. It is characterized by upbeat and energetic rhythms, improvisation, and the use of instruments such as trumpet, clarinet, trombone, piano, and drums. The term Dixieland refers to the southern United States, particularly the region surrounding the Mississippi River known as the Deep South. Dixieland music gained popularity in the 1920s and 1930s and has continued to influence jazz musicians and enthusiasts around the world.